वक्त एक और बड़ी खबर का ग्राउंड रियलिटी में जो सामने आ रही, यूपी के हाथरस में हुई भगदड़ को लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई हुई और इस सुनवाई में सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा क्या कुछ कहा गया ये आपको बता दें। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने याचिकाकर्ता से कहा कि सीधे आप सबसे पहले हाई कोर्ट का रुख कीजिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट आने की जरूरत नहीं। तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने याचिकाकर्ताओं को हाई कोर्ट जाने के लिए कहा। तो ये बड़ी खबर इस बीच, और हमारे सहयोगी हरीश इस वक्त जुड़ गए। हरीश, प्लीज गिव अस मोर डिटेल।
Yes, that's right. A big development as far as the Hathras stampede, which claimed 121 lives are concerned. Supreme Court has refused to entertain a public interest litigation which had sought a court-monitored probe of a committee, a 5-member committee, and also action against all authorities, including all officials connected with the congregation which happened there, and the civic authorities, and also stern steps to ensure that such incident does not happen in future. But the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that rather the petitioner should approach the High Court. Of course, this incident is depressing, distressing, and a very serious incident, but the High Court is equipped to deal with the issue. Rather, the petitioner, Advocate Vishal Tiwari should approach the High Court, and Supreme Court refused to entertain it. The Supreme Court Chief Justice also made an observation that whenever such incident happens, it has become a trend for petitioners to rush to the Supreme Court for publicity and to make a big deal out of it. And saying so, the Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud directed the petitioner to approach the High Court and refused to entertain the petition. So the big takeaway is that Supreme Court has refused to intervene into the Hathras stampede tragedy issue and rather has left it to the Allahabad High Court where the petitioner can approach. Back to you.
राइट हरीश, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। तो इस पूरे मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई हुई। हालांकि जो याचिकाकर्ता थे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीधे उनसे कहा कि पहले आप अपने हाई कोर्ट का रुख कीजिए, उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट आइए।